Adab, Sasriyakal, and welcome to my YouTube vlog. Wishing you all a very happy 2026. May you all grow by leaps and bounds and conquer many more milestones in your life wherever you are and no matter whatever you are doing. So, in today's vlog, it is not about business management, it is about combination of three departments, that is archaeology, Indian Navy, and craftsmanship. Basically, I'm talking about a stitched sail ship. Yes, I repeat, a stitched sail ship that traveled from the Indian port to Muscat in 18 days. So let's dig out the details. So basically, this was a tri agreement between the Ministry of Culture, between the Indian Navy, and the Howdy Innovations. So by September 2025, they started building a ship that was made of wooden planks, coir rope, coconut fiber, and natural resin. And the ship was so beautifully built that each and every spare part represented a different era. Like, there were the paintings of Ajanta caves, then the anchor, the stone anchor represented the Harappan civilization, and many more things. And basically, it was inspired by the 5th century sea vessel, right? And the name of the ship was, it has to be special. It was INSV Kaundinya. Kaundinya was basically a Indian mariner who traveled to Southeast Asia, where he married the queen of Funan, which is now known as Cambodia, and he became the second king of Cambodia. So, yes, this is how the ship was named, and this is how the ship sailed from the Indian port of Porbandar and reached Muscat in 18 days, where again it was given a warm welcome by the sea waters fountain, as if the Indian Ocean was itself welcoming this beautiful heritage ship to Muscat. So this is all in this video of mine. The purpose behind sharing this is, in the hips of the glamorous news, sometimes we miss out on our very important achievements. So if you, as an Indian, if you feel proud of this, then please do share it with your Indian friends, no matter in which part of the globe they are. Please do make them proud and happy. Wishing you a very happy weekend. Bye bye.